Hi, my name is Debbie.QL and I'm an independent affiliate for Quantum Lifestyle. And today I'm going to give you my sore throat protocol. Keep in mind that these are not the only points you can use. And if you still have symptoms after a day of having the QuantaGrams on these points, feel free to move them to other points. I have found though that if you catch the symptoms right away, the discomfort is usually gone in 12 to 24 hours, especially in children. So let's get started. The first point I'll talk about is stomach 9. On this point, I would apply a relief QuantaGram since it is used for pain and inflammation. Stomach 9 is located on the neck, 1.5 chun lateral to the larynx. As you can see in the photo, 1.5 chun is 2 finger widths. So you would measure 2 finger widths from the larynx, which is basically in the center of the front of your neck. Here's a picture that shows you where it is. I put a green QuantaGram on the point so it stands out. If that point doesn't work after a day, move it down to stomach 10 or stomach 11. And the people that I've recommended this protocol to, I've never had them move them, but it's good to know that you have options. Stomach 9 will moisten the throat when you have difficulty swallowing. The next point is lung 10, and again, use a relief QuantaGram for pain and inflammation. This point is located on the thumb side of the first hand bone. Again, I placed a QuantaGram on the point. This point moistens a dry throat, and it's also good for hoarseness and if you lose your voice. The third point is large intestine 11 or LI11, and it's located halfway between the elbow crease while it's bent and the elbow. Here's a picture of it. It's a major point and is often used with other points. It clears heat due to many issues, including the heat and inflammation in a sore throat. It's also used to reduce fever. And the last point, if you need a boost of energy, is to place an energy QuantaGram on conception vessel or CV6. It is located 1.5 chun, again, 2 finger widths directly below the belly button. This point is a major point used to improve energy levels and therefore why we would use the energy QuantaGram. And of course, the quantum energy card. Be sure to keep it on you 24/7 because it enhances the QuantaGrams. Just makes them work that much better. And that's it for sore throats. If you like what you see on my channel, you know what to do. Until next time, take care and enjoy the journey.